Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm so excited to be introducing you to the Cocinare Personal Blender. This is an 1100 watt personal blender, has German engineered blades to really take your smoothie and shake making up to the next level. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review and demoing this for you, so you're going to get to see it in action. Really quick though, let's start off with what comes in the box. Well, when you open the box, you're going to see, first of all, you get this nice little welcome pack from Cocinare. It has a few recipes in it, but more importantly, it has a card that gives you a free year membership to the Cocinare Club. Makes you a VIP, allows you to download hundreds of recipes to use with your blender. Then you're going to see you get the blending base. Now this is the powerhouse. It's an 1100 watt blending base. Much stronger, a lot more powerful than a lot of the rechargeable bases that you see out there. Those a lot of times don't have the power to crush through ice and things, but this one does. Then you move on and you see you've got that 16 ounce personal blending cup, and inside of that is the attachment that has those German engineered blades. Yeah, you can see those are some serious blades to really be able to crush ice and frozen fruits and blend your smoothie the way that you would want it to be done. But of course, when you're done, you remove that. What do? Well, they included this nice little cap that you can throw onto the cup so that you can take it on the go. It has a drinking hole in the center and then has a nice little rubber loop on the side so that you can easily carry it that way. Also has some measuring lines on there for you so to help you when you're making smoothies. So really, really excellent. And yeah, those are all the things that you get in the box. So before I get on to making my smoothie, I just want to point out some of those really awesome features. Those German engineered blades, those are kind of the star of the show, one of the stars of the show. Those paired with that 1100 watt motor, that's what really helps make your smoothies nice and smooth and the way you want a smoothie to be. No ice chunks left or frozen fruit chunks left. This will help blend it all. It's a great cup, nice little measuring lines here as well for 7 ounces and 14 ounces, and that nice rubber grip around there, which is great when you're making your smoothie as well as when you're using this to drink out of. So we're going to make a smoothie here. I've got approximately, I don't know, maybe a half a cup of frozen strawberries that I'm going to put in there. And then I've got about a quarter of a cup of oat milk, healthy oat milk, just because I want to add some creaminess and help make it creamy. And then I've got 4 ice cubes that I'm going to put in there, and then I've got about a ring and a half of pineapple, just because I love pineapple flavor with strawberry. We're going to put that in there. Oops, missed one piece. There we go. So we're going to put that in there, and then I'm going to take the blade top and I'm going to put that on there, screw it on nice and tight. And now that I've got that on there, I just stick this into the base and you just push down. And you can see that as you push down, it starts to blend. Now, one thing I will say, depending on what exactly you're doing and what you're putting in there, sometimes you need to take it off, shake it up a little bit so that you can get some of the strawberries that might stay on the top down, more down towards the bottom. And then you push it again. And now this is looking like a nice, smooth, blended smoothie. Now that's great is these blades are easily washable. The blades in the cup, you can rinse with soap and water, but you can also wash them in the dishwasher. They are dishwasher safe. I'm going to put this lid on there. You can drink it out of here. Of course, you could also pour it into a glass, but you can just drink it right out of here if you want to. That is some delicious smoothie. And it couldn't be easier. It could not be easier to make a delicious smoothie than it is with this great Cocinare personal blender. If you're looking for a personal blender, if you want to get a little bit healthier, eat a little bit healthier by including smoothies in your diet, then this personal blender by Cocinare is definitely the way to go. You will love it. You cannot go wrong with it. And it is a product that I would highly, highly recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite my playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you just as quickly as I can. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.